Hi guys, and today we will be unboxing a teleprompter. It's come from a company named Leeventi, and usually it's used for YouTubers who want to speak in their videos, but they don't want to look at a paper, so they set it up and they just look at the screen, and it looks like they're looking at the camera, but they're actually reading this. So let's open it up. So I will set this up and then I will show you guys how to use it. So we have this, and these are just parts that we will use. This, and there's also this, and then there's things to assemble it. So I will be right back and I show you how to. Okay, so I have assembled the main part, and I will be adding this black cover so it blocks out any light so that you can see the words properly. Then I'll be explaining this remote and other things. So, let's see. Okay, so I've added the cover, and now I will set up the software which they provided. And this remote is just to scroll up or down for the text, and I will show you when I set it up. So right now it looks like I'm looking at the camera, but I'm actually looking at the text I typed in. So that's just what news broadcasters and what they all do. They're actually just looking at the text when it looks like they're looking at the camera. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye!